Good morning. Today we are in. Oh, just dropped ever so. Today we're in Berwick-upon-Tweed, which is just on the border of Scotland. And we thought we'd have a walk round on a much cooler July day. You could almost say it's a bit damp in the air, couldn't you?
Well, I think it's drying up now. I think the mist is going to clear.
Yeah, we had a touch of mist. And hopefully the sun will break through, but we're wearing coats today, which we haven't done for a fair few days. We're just walking under the main bridge here, and we're going to complete the Riverside Walk. It takes us round the edge of the town. I feel there's a lot of history here, so looking forward to doing some exploring. Off she goes. Just thought I'd have a perusal over this bridge. I'm heading back. I just want to see what the views are like over here. Nice bridge. Very nice views too. Over there to head for the lighthouse, and we've just realised in the far distance is a ship, a cruise ship in the mist. Heading over there now, so we're heading for the lighthouse via Ness Gate. Ellis Lowry, one of Britain's best loved painters, was especially fond of Berwick-upon-Tweed. Yes, apparently. He visited town many times from the mid-1930s until the summer before he died. And in Berwick you can complete the Lowry Trail and take in some of the spots where he did lots of his paintings.
That's good then.
Yeah. That is Lowry's sketch from 1956, and his view was over there. What's this picture? It's called The Sea, uncannily. These yellow boats are dropping passengers off to the cruise ship, we've noticed. These people are coming to shore. Yeah. They're going to wave. Oh, they're waving. We're now heading back into Berwick-upon-Tweed. That's right, it's Berwick-upon-Tweed, not Berwick.
Can't believe you've been calling it Berwick.
I'm sure I've been calling it Berwick since we arrived. Berwick. Just spotted another Lowry picture on the sands.
Yeah, I prefer this one. I don't think I'd have bought the sea.
Let's have a look at the real thing. Oh yes. We're now on Berwick Golf Course. We're sticking very close to the path along the coast. And there behind us is the pier and the lighthouse. We've come full circle, and down there somewhere is our car. In the long stay car park, it's free parking for 24 hours. If you're in the short stay car park, it's free parking for 3 hours. On the other side of the bridge, another Lowry view.